my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a nice video because I actually have this video planned out. For once in my YouTube life, I have a script and I wrote down all these points to talk about color hair tips video. Okay, everyone always asks me, oh my gosh, your hair is so nice. How do you keep it up? You're black and you're natural and your curls are so nice when you do your hair. And I'd be like, and then someone else I'd be like, oh my goodness, girl, your hair is so nice. Like, how do you keep up your curls and everything else you have going on with your hair? Like, how you be doing that? So this is what I usually do. It's about a good 7 tips. I don't know why I have 3 pages. I mean, I know why, because I wrote so big so I can read it to you guys. But yeah, let's get on to this video. Hope you guys enjoy and do all the YouTube stuff. I have my hair in braids. That's why it looks like this. You kind of see like in the front. And you kind of see my new growth coming in thanks to GS by Sedora. You can always, since the video that I talked about in the first video when I dyed my hair red, and now on you can always go click on the first link and get 10% off of the oils because it will save you. Like, guys, look at this new girl. I'm actually going to post photos later on. By the time I post this video, it should be photos off my page. So follow me on my pages right here. So I got these papers. I'm going to read it to you. If I look this way, look at the camera box and make sure I look presentable because I want to get this done. I got it from other videos. Like, I'm trying to get this YouTube life together. I actually want to like do YouTube now for once. I mean, like, I always want to do YouTube, but I want to like do funny YouTube. It's not really like, I like hair, but I like doing funny stuff more, you know? Got one light today, kind of fun, set another light up, so if it's not as bright as it should be, you can still see me, that's all that matters. But this is what I do, and it works for me. This is basically the secret to having healthy dye hair. These few tips may not work for you, but you can at least try. So basically, I'm just saying here that I do these tips. It works for me greatly. As you can see, my hair is always long, healthy, curly hair. Besides my heat damage accident, my hair has been actually better now. I've been doing these steps more often. I forgot about these steps. I really had to remind myself that my hair basically had to start over because of heat damage. I cut everything off. I just see I cut my hair video, and then I did apogee video, and I got my hair growing. So I'm on a step. But for my birthday, well, actually by Christmas, my hair should be back to where it was, long, healthy, and curly, and not as damaged. My hair does look kind of like stringy when it's wet, but that is going to be okay because I'm getting it back to healthy. So I'm doing these steps more often now than I used to do it because when my hair wasn't as damaged, I didn't really do these steps as much. But now since my hair is damaged to, not to the point, but like it definitely needs these steps, then I'm going to definitely use it. When you just got your hair dyed or you dyed it yourself, semi or permanent dye, try not to put no heat in it for at least 4 weeks. I stay away from heat as far as I can. I know the color looks more prettier when it's straight, but it's not worth it because you can have heat damage, you can have breakage, all that stuff. I just stay away from it. That's what my preference is. Now, if you go to a salon, a person who's all about natural, healthy hair and wants your hair to just see the color in it, of course, by all means, listen to them, obviously, because they actually went to school for it. I might go to school for hair in a couple of years because I actually like this. Like, this is what I feel like I need to do, you know, in life. Like, one day, once I'm done with voiceovers, because I'm a voiceover. But yeah, once I'm done with voiceovers, I might just go to school for hair, because why not? So of course listen to them, obviously, but if you're doing it by yourself at home and you don't know how to do it the best way, you follow someone else on YouTube besides me, because I kind of know what I'm talking about, then just stay away from heat for 4 weeks. And number 2, use a lot of protein treatments once you're done coloring / bleaching your hair. Definitely bleaching. Like, I would say do 2 protein treatments that day when you're done bleaching, because bleaching is so harsh to your hair. I mean, your hair could be virgin hair. It still can be harsh in your hair, you know, because bleach is a chemical. And you need to definitely put those nutrients back into your hair. Stay with the protein treatments. Then you'll use it every time you wash your hair. Of course, don't overly do it, because it's not good for your hair, but at least do a 5 to 35 minute one, and then do an hour one, like maybe 2 minutes after your hair was like damp, and then do an hour one. Both different types and brands of protein treatments. I use Shea Moisture for one. Cantu's a good one. I know that This one brand, that one shampoo brand. Head and Shoulders have one. I really want to try that one myself. But Shea Moisture and Camila Rose, I think, has a protein treatment. But like any brand that you use for your hair with protein treatments, I'm pretty sure to look it up, and it's actually cheaper than the bottle itself, like $3-4. And oh, and the one Garnet Fruits, if I'm not saying it right, there's a photo of it. Those are a bunch of protein treatments you can use, cost less than $5, and it's really worth it. It takes about 30 minutes to put in your hair, stays on, put a plastic cap over it, or just leave it out for 45 minutes, and then you're done. You know, like you don't have to let your hair suffer. Basically, what I figured out once I dyed my hair, because I love seeing my hair change colors. I feel like a brand new person every time I dye my hair. I just feel happy. So it's basically what you gotta do is your hair. So you're stripping your nutrients from your hair. You have to put that back in your hair slowly. You can't do it all in one day, obviously, but slowly doing it by a good 2 months after your hair is dyed. Your hair will be back to the way that it was, or probably even better. I see that my hair is better the time I dye my hair. That's how I feel, and I see it, and my hair look bigger and brighter and stuff. I have natural black hair. As you saw, whenever I bleached my hair was naturally black. And that one video, it's just, I don't feel like, I like my black hair like that. I like seeing my hair different colors, and I'm totally for it. But so I know that I have to definitely put the nutrients back inside my hair, because, you know, it needs it back. So protein treatments is your friend. So step 3. Uno, dos, tres. That's step tres. Step tres? Yeah, step tres. Okay. So I use a semi-permanent dye, so it washes out in about 4 to 6 months, depending on how lazy I am to wash my hair. Because sometimes I'll take 2 weeks to wash my hair, sometimes I do it every week and a half or every week, depending how much my hair is, because the sun dries my hair out sometimes, especially when I put like a lot of moisturization in my hair, a lot of products in my hair that my hair can take the sun. And sometimes my hair loves the sun, so it just depends on my hair and how I lay on it and how I do a bunch of flips and stuff. So it just depends on how lazy I am and how my hair is those weeks when I wash it. That's why I dye my hair so much, because it's semi-permanent dye, because it comes out in 4 to 6 months. That neon color lasted, I dyed it in March, and it came out sooner than I thought it. Like the green was still there, was not as neon. That lasted about a good 2 months. It just depends. Purple lasted a good 2 months, in my opinion. It turned pink though, and I want it to be pink for a second too. And this red, I dyed my hair red earlier this month, and it's still red and vibrant, which I'm surprised. It does look pink in the lighting though, like in like really bright sun, you can see like a little pink tint, but that's fine by me. I'm gonna take this color out soon. I cannot wait till I tell y'all why. But being red is not for me, so stay tuned for that video. So that's why it's so easy for me to dye, change my hair so much, because it's a semi-permanent dye. That's what I use, by the way. I never dyed my hair permanent before. Never tried it. I don't think I ever will, you know, because I always like taking my color out. That's why I dye my hair so much. And it was like, oh my god, you dye your hair too much, your hair gonna fall out. Actually, it's not, because the way I do it and the way I take care of my hair after, which is all these steps, which I'm telling you guys, like I'm trying to help you. You can be like me in a way and dye your hair so many times without it getting damaged and all this stuff. So hopefully you guys listen to these tips, and hopefully these tips actually help you. And if you have other tips, by the way, you can let me know, because I actually want to know. Because I've done these 7 tips and they worked out for me, but what if your tip can actually help me and only do like 4 tips? Because that would be a blessing. But yeah, so I used semi-permanent dye, not permanent dye. Alright. Uno, dos, tres. Corato, we're on Corato, okay? That's the new steps we have left. I mean, we're on number 4. I am hungry, that's why I like this. Alright, step number 4. Use a color safe shampoo and conditioner. I don't really use shampoo in my hair like that. I just don't like the way my hair feels after all the shampoo is all washed out. But I do shampoo my hair at least once a month. I'm still looking for that magic bottle of shampoo. If you have one of mine, please let me know in the comments. Use a brand that knows that you dyed your hair and it want to help you get back to your natural hair state. Step number 5. Since I don't use shampoo, rude. People are so rude. Since I don't shampoo my hair like that, I stay deep conditioning my hair. In fact, I do it every other wash day. So for example, I just did a deep conditioning, no, did I? I shampoo and then I did a post treatment this time I washed my hair. I washed my hair this morning. That was kind of wet, it's not out and about. But I did a protein treatment and shampoo my hair. Because next time I wash my hair, I'm going to use a deep condition and protein treatment. I use protein treatments every time I wash my hair because my hair needs that extra boost. So I usually wash my hair every other week and a half. But besides using protein treatments and deep conditionings on my hair, I wash my hair with condition only. That's what I do, wash my hair. I leave the conditioner off about a good 3 minutes. I scrub my scalp, make sure everything is clean, and I use it to wash my hair. Cause shampoo, my hair doesn't like shampoo. Like even if my hair wasn't dyed or bleached, my hair still didn't like shampoo at all. Cause I remember when my mom washed my hair always feel kind of like yucky after shampoo. My hair just don't like shampoo, but I know it's kind of good for your hair in a way. So I use it once a month basically, and I just shampoo like maybe like twice. Step 6. So this is basically what I tell myself every time because I love putting my fingers in my hair. So wear protective styles. Keep your hair away from your hands, or at least don't let your hands stay in your hair, because my hands stay in my hair like I mentioned before. But protective styles help you retain moisture and put less stress on the hair, which means less breakage, which means more hair you have to deal with. I'm just kidding. For example, you can use your natural hair and braids. Like I'll show you one braid right now. My hair's a mess. I cannot part at all. Like I can't part my hair. Like, unless I really want to like really try to part my hair really good, but besides that, I'd rather not. So this is one braid, as you can see, and it's like damp looking. You can use your natural hair and braids like this one and twisties also, or you can add hair to your hair like these styles right here. So just up to you. Like if you want to just spend some extra couple hours on putting hair into your hair, you can like use human hair or synthetic hair to put in your hair. So drink water. That helps you in your hair. Drinking water, people say drink water helps skin. It does, but for me, drinking water helps my hair. Whenever I drink like a lot of water, my hair loves it, and it's like very moisture. Someone's here. I'm Diego. Go Diego, go. Alright, we are on the last tips. I'm gonna say tips because this is not steps. Hello, we on the last step. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on 7. I kind of want to like speak Spanish. Hey! Trying to film! Drink water. That helps you in your hair. I know people say drink water helps your skin and everything, but it really helps your hair and you know. It's good to have water in your system. I don't drink juice. I stopped drinking juice for about a good, I think I stopped drinking juice when I was like 9, like the second semester of 9th grade, I believe, or that the second quarter of 9th grade, I stopped drinking juice. I realized I don't want to drink it no more because I don't eat vegetables like that. I'm not really a healthy eater, so I just stopped drinking juice to really like kind of balance it out a little bit. And now like last year I started like I stopped kind of eating candy. Like I don't really eat that much sweets and junk as much. But I still don't eat vegetables like that. I mean, I eat carrots, apples, grapes, watermelon, but I don't eat like a lot of healthy food. So I try to like balance it out by not eating that much junk food. So drink water because that helps you and your hair. Try not to stress. I know it's easier said than done. Trust me. I wish I can like say stop stressing. I won't stress. But stress gives me pimples and my hair like comes out more. That's just for me. Like everyone takes stress differently, you know. I don't really sleep. I don't really eat. I get bad skin and my hair kind of comes off. And it all comes together and I'm just like, oh my God, I might be bald-headed Smeagol in a second. It's not healthy for your skin or your hair, and you can just give it to God. Breathe on it and let it go. If y'all need any prayer requests, let me know in the comments or one of my Instagrams, DM, just to keep it between me and you. I'd love to pray for you or just to listen, you know. Because I know how it feels to just feel like you're alone and in a busy room full of people, aka life. And it's much easier to talk to someone you personally don't know, and and I'll be your girl, you know. Life is tough, but if you think about it this way, God only gives you stuff that he knows that you can handle. You just gotta have faith that your storm is going to end soon and you're gonna be looking at your rainbow. So there's like a little happiness of all of this, you know, because stress is not really good. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm always open for YouTube suggestions for videos, but subscribe, like, comment. Why am I reading this? Flip the script. But that is all for today, you guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube junk, baloney, papa, all that stuff. Just share to your friends and family who wants to also watch me talk to myself. But hope you guys enjoyed this video and the rest of your day. Bye, Lions.